What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is something exciting. I've been waiting literally since SEMA. I know I've been talking about this for a while, and actually I told you Thursday. I don't know if I'm going to be able to edit this whole video and put it up Thursday or not, but literally been waiting since SEMA for this. I'm looking right at it. I'm super excited for this. As you guys know, this truck has gone through a lot of transformations since I bought it, and one of the first things I did was take the steps off. With a truck this big, it does make it quite difficult to get into. So today we finally, after months and months of waiting, got our hands on. You guys ready for this? We got our hands on the Rolling Big Power Stealth powered running boards. As you can see, this specific set will fit a 25 through 5500 crew cab 2013 to 18. And as you can see, one of the points I'm gonna make in this video is the LEDs come standard. So a lot of you guys get the concept of, you know, powered running boards. You get the look of no running boards, but the convenience of having them. And it's just a sleek, awesome design. And a lot of you guys get the concept of them, and a lot of you guys get the concept of installing them. But what a lot of people will not realize and do not know is the benefits of the Rolling Big Power running boards compared to their competitors. So first thing is I'm gonna run over all that because I know that's what the internet wants to know. Every post that, you know, RBP makes, I see comment after comment after comment of, well, what's the difference between these and the other guys, and these and the other guys? Why are these better? So first things first, because I say I know a lot of you guys get the concept and a lot of you guys get the whole concept of the install. We're gonna run over it all today, but mainly I'm gonna run over the benefits of these first. All right, guys, so a lot of people want to know the benefits to these compared to like competitors. And first of all, the list is probably about this long, and you may ask because I literally have it. I have all the specs, all the details of these boards here with me, and I'm going to explain them here to you. First thing, RBP went and, you know, designed these boards around, you know, the common problems of even factory, you know, powered running boards. They're designed to work in cold, salt, you know, snow, slush, the nasty brine they put on the roads. Each motor is an IP68 rated, so it, you know, it is definitely suited for conditions like that. Also with these, installation is made even easier than the competitors. Everything is given to you exactly how it needs to be. There's no splicing, no modification, no nothing. It's just set up for you. So this install could be done, you know, professionally at a shop, or it can be done literally at your home garage in a couple hours. Another thing they made, you know, a point with these boards, as you saw when I showed you my box here, they are specifically made for each truck setup. Like you said here, Ram 25, 35, 45, and 5500 crew cab. They are made specifically for the trucks. There's no here's your motor, here's your brackets, cut them to fit. These are specifically made for each application, which is amazing. They said these are specifically made for my truck, and these right here are specifically made for a Jeep JL 4-door. So like I said, each application, no matter what vehicle it is, it's made specifically for that. So there's no cutting, no trimming. When you order the boards, they're made to fit exactly for your application. Another thing I pointed out on the box, LED lighting comes standard. It's not like, oh, upgrade for, you know, this amount of money. It's in the box. You're gonna see me install them today. As soon as you open the door, the LED lighting, you know, illuminates your step, ground, kind of like free puddle lights. Another thing about these compared to, I guess, whatever competitor you're looking at, they don't go into your OBD2 port, and that's big, because like right now, on my truck, I'm running an EZ-Link auto agent. So that's my tuner, that's my gauges, that's everything. It's in my OBD2 port. As soon as you start getting into splitters and stuff, sometimes the power boards don't work, sometimes your tuner doesn't work, stuff like that. So RBP took that all out of the equation, and they're running high-powered magnetic door triggers, which you guys will see in the install. When they line up, the boards are tucked away, and when the doors open, the boards will deploy. And like I said, these are high-powered magnets, so you will never have to worry about a poor or weak connection. And now there's a reason why these are sitting here as well. These Jeep boards. Everyone's gonna wonder, well, I'm a Jeep guy, I take my doors off, I go on the trails, I run trail doors. Whether you have a truck, you have a Jeep, comes standard with an override switch. So, have your boards tucked away, shut the switch off, open your doors, take them off, remove them. Your boards will be, you know, tucked away, and you don't have to worry about it on trails and stuff like that, so they're not deployed down. You can, you know, do what you need to do. But each kit, no matter what truck or application you have, comes standard with an override switch. Not only is there an override switch, they also have a built-in safety feature. You know, kids, arms, legs, whatever parts, stuff don't get stuck between, you know, and don't have any pinching point. They will not, you know, retract if there's something in the way. People are gonna wonder about warranty. These Stealth Power running boards have a 5-year warranty. If there's a defect on RBP's part, the part will be covered, and overnight shipping, you know, at RBP's cost, which is an awesome, awesome warranty. Like I said, 5 years on this. Most people don't even keep their vehicles for 5 years, so you'll be covered whatever may occur. Like I said, the motors are IP68 rated, which means you can stick them in 3 meters of water and they will still be good to go. So that also goes for working in mud, salt, snow, rain, obviously. These boards are made to tackle any weather and any conditions you put at it, whether it's cold or, like I said, inclement weather for sure. Each running board has a 600-pound maximum weight rating. And like I said, I hope you guys saw the preview with, you know, the muscle from Diesel Brothers. He stood on, they can take his weight, and he's a big guy. And like I said, 600 pounds per each side. That is more weight, a higher weight rating than you will more than likely ever need. Right now, they make them for select make and models. There's a list on their website. But as this year continues and into next year, that list is going to expand greatly. Obviously, if your application isn't there now, it more than likely will be added in the upcoming months and year. The best part about this is, you guys know that my truck right now has a 6.5-inch lift on it. Within the coming weeks, I will be taking my 6.5-inch lifted truck and bumping it to a 10 to 12-inch max altitude lift. A lot of people are going to wonder, well, my truck is a big truck. RBP will be offering extended drops. Whether your truck is stock, moderately lifted, or really lifted, they will have an application for you. And with that being said, a lot of people are gonna wonder the price of these boards, and they are gonna retail at $12.99, which is honestly a steal for the features you get out of the box. You know, the standard things like 2 motors each side, and you know, standard LED lighting that is custom fit to your application. Without further ado, I'm gonna unbox these for you, and then we're gonna install them on my truck. Now, as you can see, they wouldn't be stealth powered running boards without there being stealth. So you've got black on black. Now, the best part about Rolling Big Power, you can customize these if you wanted them painted or something different. You can always set that up with them, which is an awesome feature. Like if you wanted these painted to match, I almost did that, but the truck's a little wild, so I'm really happy with the black on black for this setup. So first thing is first is, holy cow, here is your motor, but this is honestly, it's solid. They tell you on here which, I guess, motor and drop assembly it is. And the best part about these boards right here, as you can see, is everything is plug and play. Pre-wired, you're gonna see the harness when I take it out. It'll plug right in here and you'll be good to go. Super easy install and super convenient. And here you guys go. Like I said, LED lighting comes standard. In the instructions, it's gonna tell you exactly where to put them for your application. In here, as you can see, is your wiring harness. Everything is the correct and exact length it needs to be. No more, no less. They said they really did this right. So everything, there's no guesswork. It's all made for your application, which is honestly awesome. As like a truck builder and modder and like actual installer can thank somebody for is instructions printed in color. We've all gotten those instructions that are printed in like 8-bit and you can't even see what's going on. So color printed instructions, awesome. So guys, that's everything in the box. And as you can see, it's minimal, which is great, which makes it a super easy install. We're gonna jump into this real quick, and I'm actually even gonna time myself. I'll show you guys what time I actually start and what time I actually finish to show you guys the actual length of the install. All right, guys, so first things first is honestly an awesome feature. I was worried for like maybe 3 seconds, but first thing is, I had factory boards on this truck, so there are well nuts in my frame already. If your truck does not come with them, they offered this. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I've installed a lot of running boards, and the things manufacturers come up to allow you to bolt things on rams like this are awful. And this, as soon as I saw this, I was so surprised that someone actually made something this spectacular. So this is gonna slide in here, and you'll be able to line it up with these holes and your screws will go in. The best thing is the bolts that come with it, which is, I'm so thankful that RBP thought this one through, is that this bolt that goes in the bracket that comes with the boards fits. your factory weld nuts if your truck came with boards to start. All right, as you guys can see, it's 6:01. We're starting this install, and I'll show you guys when we're done. Obviously, we're filming, so take that into consideration. From what I just noticed, unpackaging everything in this kit, awesome design. So let's get into this, and this should be super simple. The wiring harness tells you exactly where each connector needs to go. Alright guys, so with that being said, I just have to zip tie the harnesses up. I was at 2 hours and 49 minutes when this was pretty much completed. Like I said, I'm just going to slide underneath there, zip tie the harnesses, close the hood, and I'll be good to go. 2 hours and 52 minutes. And that's with filming. So, you know, that's me pausing, waiting to, you know, get a shot, get things lined up, stuff like that. So that's with filming. 2 hours and 52 minutes. And, okay, add an extra 3 minutes to zip tie the harness. But, so you're at under 3 hours, that's with filming. Super easy install, super clean. I had people hit me up on Snapchat saying, you know, some of the competitors, it takes them all day to do so. But these themselves, guys, simple install, clean, easy. Same thing with this side. I didn't even touch the instructions, and that's not because I, you know, install a variety of stuff daily and do lift kits, but that's me looking at the product, and you can easily put 2 and 2 together and pretty much take care of everything in under 3 hours. All right guys, we're finished up. I'm gonna give you a night shot here. They look absolutely incredible at night with the lights. Awesome. So guys, awesome install. Super clean, super easy. And like I said, under 3 hours, and I was filming. And even the little details that I mentioned make this probably one of the easiest and best products I've ever installed. I've been waiting forever, and I'm just happy now. And the problem is, and I also just got word today that my truck may not be this height for much longer. So guys, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. I will see you in the next video. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. Shoot this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.